Welcome to the project demonstration of solar wireless electric vehicle charging system. In this project we are using solar panel, charging circuit and another also charging circuit, step down transformer, 2 volts 1 amp battery, and here we can see the transmitter coil and the rectifier, and also we are using another receiver coil and converter. So we'll see the demonstration. So first of all, the main aim of this project is to take the energy from sunlight, and that energy will be given to this battery, then battery will be charged. And also, by the way, in this transformer also charge this battery through this power cable to take off 230 volts AC supply, and that will be given to this transformer. It will step down up to 12 volts. That 12 volts of AC will be given to this bridge converter. So that converter will be converts AC into DC. So that DC power will be given to this battery. Then battery will be charged. Here we can see the light indication, which means battery get charged. And also here we can see, so DC, the solar panel produces the DC supply, and also we are giving bridge converter. Bridge wave converter is nothing but DC to AC to DC converter. So here we are using the bridge converter due to because polarity character. So here we can see the positive and the negative. So the DC consists of only positive and negative. If polarities will be changed, then this solar will be damaged. That's why here we are using bridge wave rectifier. So let's see the demonstration. If I on the switch, so that DC current will be converted into AC through this rectifier converter. Then that AC will be given to this coils. If bus nearly come this coil, here we can see the light indication. So which means wirelessly charging this bus. So here we can see another board. It will convert AC into DC. That DC power will be given to this bulb. And also here we can see the distance. So in this way, this project will be works. Thanks for the watching.